How to change your Facebook account, business account. So to do that, first of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Facebook on your phone. If you have done so, then you can simply open Facebook on your device. After opening, you will now see an interface like this. I have already switched on to my business account. So I will show you how you can switch it to your personal account. To do that, you can see on the top right section, there are 3 vertical lines with your profile linked on it. When you tap on this, you will see there is an arrow circle with your profile in this. So when you tap on this, which is your personal account, this business account will now be switched on to your personal account. Switching it might take some time, which depends on the internet connection. And after some time, your business account will be switched on to your personal Facebook account. So yeah, let's go to Facebook again. So here you can see that I have already been switched on to my personal account, just like this. Then I will show you how you can again switch on to your business account. To do that, the process is same. You can see on the top right section, there are 3 vertical lines with your profile. When you tap on this, you will again see an arrow section with your profile on this. This profile is the profile of your business account if you have made your business account. So to switch on to your business account, simply tap on this and then you will be switched on. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.